Good morning, welcome all. I have invited everyone to talk about a project for digital coupons. I have decided this project because, based on my current work experience and my background, I'm working as a production manager for a POS company, and my job is basically to look for where the company's money is spent and what are the customer experience and implement the technology to help customer to produce a better product. uh, I'll be talking about this project, and we will cover the different topics that will help to improve the customer service. I'll talk about the project description and why it's a good idea to implement this project, and we'll also discuss about the financial investment and the benefits of the project, and I'll go over about the advantages and disadvantages in details at the end of the presentation. And mainly the focus of the presentation is on the technical challenges and to discuss about the issues that customers face on daily basis. This will be more on the technical and the financial aspect, and how to have a break-even analysis for a project. So to begin with, most of the retail companies, uh, most of the companies customer have interaction for different interaction at different level with either the checkout or the POS system. We try to improve our point of sale system for different different projects, and our goal here is to keep our customers happy. So further to that, I'm going to discuss about the basic introduction and how the system works. So to discuss further about the project description, this explains about what are the steps involved in this project, and then it shows our aim to automate the coupon system, where we are trying to digitalize the coupon system from the paper-based system. Uh, we are trying to use our online website and our app, the mobile app, for customers to improve the service. So going back to the description, just to make a long story short, uh, the the goal here is to come up with a system where customers can utilize the digital coupons at the point of sale system, whether they are buying something online or they are buying something from the store, and this will allow customers to directly apply the e-coupons, and that is basically the same as digital or e-coupons. Once customer selects this at the checkout, they will have option to automatically retrieve the coupons they have in their account, and they can choose where the coupons can be applied, and they can decide which coupons they want to use. Based on that, the or the coupons will be automatically attached to the items, and at the checkout the prices will be adjusted accordingly. Customers can add coupons by themselves online from their mobile app, or if they can find on from the other retailers. Um, so moving on to discuss about the financial investment, I have came up with the investment and ROI with the discussion with the financial team, and I'm discussing about the capex and opex cost, that is about 1.3 million. Our goal here is to achieve this cost with the higher rate of return on investment, and we are thinking of return of investment of 0.3 million within first year, and then we are thinking about achieving 5.8 million in the next 5 years. The most of the return on investment is the money that can be saved from the shopping experience, cutting the cost from the paper-based coupons, and then based on the customers who has higher superior experience, who would like to come back and would refer other customers to utilize the system. So we are anticipating the 11% customer growth by the next year, and by the end of fifth year we are anticipating the customer growth of 17.5 percentage. So we can save the cost for the labor for this printing of coupons. We can save money in the settlement processes from the vendors, and it will be an easy process to save a lot of money on the administrative cost, and that allows us to save the money on the manual process, and lot of reconciliation cost that's included in the manual labor will be saved with the automated process. Now the next thing that I would like to discuss is about the technical challenges. So the technical challenges that right now I'm anticipating is the technical connectivity challenge. So right now it will be highly dependent on the automatic system that will be reliable based on the internet and the e-commerce. So the connectivity will be really important, and at any point of time the connectivity should not be lost, because if that's lost, then customers will not be able to use the e-coupons, because the transaction rate will be about 0.02 seconds. So this will require a very high speed servers and connectivity servers. And the other thing is the customer accounts. The customer accounts should be connected with the system at a fast speed of about 0.01 second. The third and the last thing is supplier addition. So with the new supplier, the new coupons needs to be added into the database, and where the customers will have to refresh their account for addition of any new coupons. And the other challenge is if we add a new vendor, then those coupons needs to be updated in our database to match with the customers, so that customers do not have any issues at the checkout. We are discussing other challenges for the technical leaders. The next thing that we are thinking of right now is the timeline and the resources. We are thinking of two phases for this project. The first project we are the first phase we are thinking is by the end of January 18, and the second is we are thinking of uh, January of 2019. Now, as we know that the first phase is already over, and we have achieved half of the uh, issues. Now we will be more concerned for the phase 2. Uh, right now, our resources are scheduled such that we'll be uh, assigning one project manager, uh, 10 business analysis, and then we'll have a technical team, and that includes the quality analysis as well. We'll also have 12 GECs on the team, so they will be more concerned about the designing and the developer team. Uh, we'll have two cash and treasury system and uh, one accounting system. So as you can see that the resources will be well scheduled and will not be over allocated, and the goal for a smaller team is to minimize the cost for the development and to achieve uh, the APIs that we have currently assigned. So overall, we and for the final step, we are thinking of the next meeting in October 2018. That will be right before few months of our final release. So that's it, and I really appreciate if anyone have further thoughts or any inputs on the improvement, or I'd be more than happy to answer any questions if anyone has. And thank you for your time, and feel free to contact.